Hey guys, Justin Labato here, and I'm in the Autogeek show car garage to showcase the BLACKFIRE SiO2 Spray Sealant. Now this is a very concentrated formula, so it packs a punch for this little bottle. And what that basically means is a little goes a long way. So during the application process of something like this, you'd want to spray it on a towel, apply it to a small section of the vehicle, then come back with a secondary towel to wipe off your residue. And that will give you a high gloss shine, and it will give you a lot of slickness, and of course hydrophobicity, which is the repellency characteristic that is known in the ceramic category. This is something that is an above average term on durability, so you're going to get much longer out of it than your average SiO2 spray. So if you're looking to top off an existing protection, whether it be wax, ceramic, or paint sealant, this is where it is to keep that going, or just to use it as a standalone. It's very durable as well. So remember, if you're looking for a great SiO2 spray sealant, BLACKFIRE on Autogeek.com. And remember, the beauty is in the details.